Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way where you can find activity or how you can find your activity in your Facebook account. So let's start. So it's really simple. Go to right top corner to the menu, scroll up, and you're gonna see your profile here. And right next to the add to story, you're gonna see 3 dots here. And then you're gonna see activity log. And activity log, you're gonna see right here what you were doing, right? And then you can see like who can see it, and you can simply delete the activity log. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you can add like filters here, manage activity, and that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.